Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Indexing and slicing multiple index series is intuitive. Let's use one of the examples we saw before. So here are our imports. Here's our multi-index created with the fromProduct method. Here are our populations, and we multiply these numbers by 1000 because these are populations in thousands. And here are populations by region. We already saw this in one of the previous parts. So this is our output. Here we have something we can demonstrate indexing and slicing on. And now let's have a look at some examples. To access a single element, we use multiple indices. So, populations by region, borders, Asia. We want to access this value. And here it is. If you use just one indexing level, you will get a partial series. So, populations by region, borders. If we run this code, we'll get a partial series. So, region and the values for borders. This part over here. Now, for slicing to work, the indices must be sorted. Otherwise, we'll get an error. We can sort them using the sortIndex method that we will discuss in one of the following parts of the series. So let's sort the indices and assign the result back to the original series object. We're sorting the indices. Now they are sorted. You can compare with this. Fine. And now we can slice the series object. So let's slice from wild horses to wolves. As you can see, we don't have borders in this slice. You can also use partial indexing on lower levels. Then we pass an empty slice for the higher level. So populations by region, here's an empty slice for the first level, and then Europe. So what we get is the values for Europe. Now Boolean masks also work. So let's use the following mask. Populations by region is less than 2 million. And now the output looks like so. Finally, there's fancy indexing. So let's use this boars and wolves index here. And now we get this, boars and wolves. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.